A healthcare company that's set to dominate the healthcare industry. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about a company which I believe is at a great point right now, and it's a great opportunity to buy. I want to go over the company, give you a little brief background on the company, what it does, and kind of connect the points that we've been speaking about on this channel. The name of the company here is Clover Health. That's the Chamath play. Ticker symbol CLOV. I know a lot of people, YouTubers, have been coming out with videos. I just wanted to come out with this brief video, give you a little bit of basic information on the company, and just kind of connect the points and tell you why I think that this can easily be a $50 to $100 play here. 50 to 100. I want to compare a couple of healthcare companies as well. Currently trading at $13.62. I think it's a steal at this point. We are highly invested in this company. We do have 1,300 shares. If it dips, we are planning to buy some more. I just think it's a great opportunity with a company that's, in this industry. It's just $13.61 is a giveaway. It's a give me that all day. So we are planning to hold. I do want to hold this long term. I think it's a great investment, and I think you guys will be happy as well looking back on this a year from now and look at your investment at this point in time. Okay, so why am I so bullish on this company? First of all, I want to compare this company to United Health. That's a huge healthcare provider as well. Their stock is currently trading at $3.55. I know they're not at the same level yet, but I think they can take their market share. Now, one of the main reasons why I think Clover will be able to take a lot of companies' market share is because their number one thing that they're built on is technology. So because of the whole COVID crisis, I know technology has been pushed forward. I do know that companies like, I'll give you another example, Sophie, which is another SPAC that's coming out, IPOE, which I think is going to revolutionize the banking system. They're also using technology to bring their product afloat to millions of people. So Clove is doing pretty much the same thing as IPOE, except that they're doing it in the healthcare industry. And they're using technology to reach millions of people, trying to get their business and increase their margins by acquiring different people. Now, on this channel, we talk about connecting the dots and why I think this company is going to have great growth in the future. So first off, I want to take a look at a couple of things here. So the San Francisco-based company has seen its gross premium revenue grow at a compound annual growth rate of 37%. It brought in $354 million from premiums in 2018, $457 million in 2019, and expects $664 million this year, per an investor presentation on the deal filled with the SEC. So it's going from 354 to 664, and that's only in 2020. Okay, that was last year. So look at the growth that it's having year after year. Okay, now how are they providing this growth, or how are they getting this growth besides the technology factor? Is that they're also associating themselves with different companies. One of the companies is Walmart. Walmart's next health foray is Medicare plan with the startup Clover. Another company that they're also associating themselves with is CVS. Okay, so by associating themselves with these companies, they're bringing out their products to millions of people that already go to Walmart, they already go to CVS, so they're able to create that point of contact and get that customer a lot easier. Okay, another important factor here, and a big reason why I'm so bullish on this is because the US population is increasingly getting older. So I'm going to read you this right here. Today, there are more than 46 million older adults age 65 and older living in the US. By 2050, that number is expected to grow to almost 90 million people. So it's going to be like, it's going to go from 46 million to 90 million. It's basically going to double by 2020. So what do you think is going to happen to healthcare demand? Exactly. It's going to go up. Healthcare demand is going to go up. That means this business is also going to be required. It's also going to go up. Between 2020 and 2030 alone, the time the last of the baby boom cohorts reach age 65, the number of older adults is projected to increase by almost 18 million people. Guys, I really want you guys to, whenever you're investing in a company, look at the future of the company. What is to be expected in the future? Now, if you tell me I'm combining technology with the rapid growth healthcare, and you're putting it together, that only tells me that the chances of this company to succeed is very well. Okay, so because of these factors, and obviously healthcare industry, just touching on the healthcare industry, how much money they produce. Look, how much money is in the healthcare industry. In 2018, the global healthcare sector revenue was 1.85 trillion, an increase of almost 5% on a year-to-year basis. By the end of 2019, Americans will spend 3.65 trillion. That more than doubled on health. What do you think it's going to be in 2020? What do you think it's going to be in 2030? If it's telling you right now it's growing, it will continue to grow because people in the US are getting older. Guys, it doesn't take a genius to connect these dots, and it doesn't take a genius to look at this price at $13.60 and say, I want some of that. This is my own personal information. This is my own opinion. I'm not giving you financial advice, guys, but I am telling you, let's think smart together. Let's get these plays while they're cheap. Later on, you're going to see it at $25. You're going to say, man, I want in on Clover. But why wait till it's $25? Get it at $13. A lot of these plays that keep coming out, you see them cheap, nobody's interested in it. I like to talk about plays when nobody's talking about them. Once everybody's talking about them, it's too late. You're too late to the party. You're paying above. Buy this while it's cheap. It's going to go up. With that, guys, if you guys found any of this information valuable, please, we've been growing our channel. Please press like, subscribe, ring the bell notification. And guys, with that, I'll see you on the next one.